Slider windows. Dallas installation is a popular choice for homeowners seeking modern and functional window solutions. Vinyl slider windows Dallas offer a sleek design and easy operation, making them a top choice for residential window services Dallas. With a focus on energy efficiency, these windows help reduce energy costs while enhancing the aesthetic appeal of your home. Energy-efficient windows Dallas, Texas are essential for maintaining a comfortable indoor environment while minimizing energy consumption. Double-pane windows in Dallas provide excellent insulation, reducing heat transfer and keeping your home cool in the hot Texas summers. Insulated windows Dallas are a smart investment for those looking to improve their home's energy efficiency. Custom window solutions in Dallas cater to the unique needs of each homeowner. Whether you're looking for window replacement or new installations, our team offers personalized window design consultation Dallas to ensure your windows meet your specific requirements. Modern window styles Dallas are available to match any architectural design, providing both functionality and aesthetic appeal. Window repair services Dallas are crucial for maintaining the integrity and performance of your windows. From window frame repair Dallas to window glass replacement Dallas, our experts are equipped to handle all types of repairs. Regular window maintenance Dallas, Texas can extend the lifespan of your windows and prevent costly replacements. Affordable window options Dallas are available for those on a budget. We offer a range of cost-effective solutions without compromising on quality. Our window sealing services Dallas ensure that your windows are properly insulated, preventing drafts and improving energy efficiency. Slider windows Dallas upgrades can enhance the functionality and security of your windows. From window screen installation Dallas to window security features Dallas, we provide comprehensive solutions to meet your needs. Window noise reduction Dallas is also available for those seeking a quieter indoor environment. Commercial window solutions Dallas are designed to meet the demands of businesses in the area. Sliding glass windows Dallas, Texas offer a modern and professional look, while also providing excellent functionality. Our team is experienced in handling large-scale projects, ensuring timely and efficient installations. Window cleaning services Dallas are essential for maintaining the appearance and performance of your windows. Regular cleaning can prevent buildup and extend the life of your windows. Window tinting Dallas, Texas is another service we offer, providing privacy and reducing glare while enhancing energy efficiency. Slider windows Dallas is crucial for protecting your home from the elements. Our services ensure that your windows are sealed and insulated, preventing water damage and improving energy efficiency. With our comprehensive window solutions, you can enjoy peace of mind knowing your home is protected. Residential window services Dallas are tailored to meet the needs of homeowners in the area. From new installations to repairs and maintenance, we offer a full range of services to keep your windows in top condition. Our team is dedicated to providing high-quality solutions that enhance the comfort and value of your home.